looked about the different types of calling methods in the previous videos. So in this section, we are mainly going to discuss IR model and IR model fields. IR model provides information about Odoo models via its various fields. IR model fields provides information about the fields of Odoo models and allows adding custom fields without using Python code. So first we are going to know about the IR.model. IR.model can be used to query the system for installed models and get information about a specific model and create new models dynamically over REST API. So first we can look how can create a model record in IR model. So for that we are using these lines. Create model equal to models.execute kw dbuid password IR model create. These all are the parameters name, model and state. So here IR model, this provides the information about Odoo models via its various fields, and this is the create method. Here we are using the create method, and this is the name. This is a human readable description of the model, and this is the model name, the name for each model in the system. For creating a model name, there are some warnings. The custom model name must start with the X underscore, and also this is the state. We have two states, manual and base. Whether the model was generated in Python code, that is base, or by creating an IR model record, that is manual. Here we are using the manual. And also it is not possible to add new methods to a custom model. Only fields can add. So after creating this, we are going to inspect the model fields. So for that we are using this code, inspect model fields, models.execute kw dbuid password x custom model new field get, and these all are the attributes. So here we can see the inspected model fields. These all are the attributes we are going to inspect. This is the lines. This is all about IR model. Next we can check IR model fields. This provides information about the fields of Odoo models and allows adding a custom models without using Python code. So first we here also we can create a model record in IR.model object using the create record API endpoint. Here also we are going to create the ID equal to models.execute kw dbuid password IR.model create method. After creating this, we can create a field record in IR model. For that here we are using this code. New field equal to models.execute kw dbuid password ir.model.fields create. These all are the parameters. So here we can see a model ID. This is the name of the model ID. Here we already created a model. This is assigned to a variable ID. So here we are giving the variable name ID, and this is the name. This is the field's technical name, and here we can see T type. This is the type of field to create. Here we are going to create a character type, and this is required. It is used to enable the corresponding flag on the field. And about the state we already discussed above. And after this we can create a test record for the object using create records API endpoint, that is mentioned here. Record ID equal to models.execute kw dbuid password x custom new create x name. This is the test record object. So here we are using the test record in x custom new object using the create records API endpoint. Here we are using the read endpoint for reading the data. These all about the introspection and inspection.